peroxide. So we've got 80 millilitres, 3% hydrogen peroxide, 800 millilitres of white vinegar, malt vinegar, but I'm hoping that's just as good, and then 100 grams of fine sea salt. An air pumper, kept at the bottom, mainly to circulate. I can move stuff around my glass rod. So it's now Saturday evening, 5:30. I'll see what it's like tomorrow. So for a few hours, copper chloride, sticks of vinegar, not sure how much that is just because of me spilling it. It's now Tuesday morning. First put this in the juices on Saturday evening. I topped it up this morning with a bit more salt, vinegar and 3% hydrogen peroxide, white vinegar. You can now see gold flakes. So there's lots of other people that said this doesn't work. And they've left it like a week. Well, this has only been a couple of days. Plenty of gold flakes. So it obviously is working. The thing is, I've still got plenty of gold on them, so there's loads more to go. Don't know about the SIM cards, but gold's coming from somewhere. Give it a good stir, so I agitate it all a bit. Yeah, gold. It's definitely working. Simple air pump. All the people said it can't be done. It can. Right, so it's now Tuesday evening, and the gold flakes in there are insane now. But you can see not all the things. Like there's one there, for example. That's still got loads of gold on. Right, let's see how this does in a few days with no bubbles. Not much gold. A lot of circuit board compared to gold. In comparison to this, which was gold fingers. A lot more gold compared to circuit board. So let's wait and see. Wednesday morning. So this has now been Saturday night till Wednesday morning. Still let you see how much gold's in there now. It's definitely separating. If you look underneath, I don't know if it's better than it was a couple of days ago. It doesn't seem to change that much. We'll see. So tempting to filter it off. And then the one that the second hand water, the mobile phone's got in it, has gone literally brown. Not good. Okay. It's obviously because all the components on the circuit boards, I guess. And then strip circuit boards didn't have much gold in them. I started doing something. This has been like 12 hours. These had a lot less gold in them compared to Gold Fingers. Still some. It seems like I might have done something. So we'll see. But yeah, here's the main one. Still needs a couple more days, I think. And then we'll go filter it all. Right, so it's been 4 days. I've sieved off with different size sieves the liquid from this jar. So it's been like 3 or 4 days with the bubbles, salt, vinegar and hydrogen peroxide, and I'd say it's 60, 70, 80% done. There's still quite a lot of gold left, so I'm going to make up another mixture of distilled vinegar, hydrogen peroxide and salt, and get the bubbles going again on this to finish these off. But at the moment we've got that much gold. Not loads, not crap, not great, but we've got some. Nothing's been poured away, so all the waste is in this one. This had some water added to it, but there shouldn't be any bugger all gold in this. There will be a bit, but not much. A bit of dust, dirt. But that's the stuff that got through. That's the stuff that got through the smallest filter. So time to add some more juice to this. Fresh mixture in. It's a bit cloudy. I don't think it's because I've used coarse salt. Probably take longer for the salt to dissolve, but it's got fresh mixture in. Now when I stir it, there's very few folded flakes. A lot less than before. That's obviously because most of the flakes are now in my new jar. My bucket down on the floor. It's got all the gold flakes in it. Now I'll be able to just bonnet that and see if it is still working, because I didn't want my gold to go into solution. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, there we go. It's been the new juice a day now. I've turned it. I'm not gonna bother. I just stirred it around. I'm not gonna stir it around anymore. I'm gonna literally look at that amount of gold on them, and I'm gonna leave that alone and not stir it till tomorrow. That's like the most gold on any one. I think good stir. Most of it seems to be gone off all the fingers, but them two are not. So I'm gonna leave it, like I say, a day to see if them did bits change at all. Okay, so it's Thursday evening. I'm thinking, as a test, I'm going to stick one of my chips. I've got all these chips, different sorts. Some of them have got the pins that actually stick up, so them pins actually protrude from the actual circuit board, whereas you've got other ones which are flat and they don't protrude. So yes, that's just like gold plating rather than pins. So I'm thinking I'm going to stick one of them in to see what happens. Maybe not stick anything else, like little ones in, there's no point, such little gold on that. Maybe stick that in, see what happens. Can't harm too much. There she is in there. Tree impatient me. I got bored away in. Because I've got that one chip in there. I'm thinking, this stuff is still, I don't know, this stuff was a lot more covered in gold yesterday when I put this new liquid in, so the liquid is obviously still working. There's more gold on the bottom than there was when I changed the liquid over, so it's obviously still working. So I'm going to stick in any chips that I think got gold on the back. I was going to say without pins, but what harm can it do, really? Could take make the liquid go funky, like the brown one. When I put the phone circuit boards in there, so the state of the phone circuit boards. Don't want to do that. I suppose putting in that one hasn't done any major massive effect. Yeah, let's not put the ones in with pins. Let's put the ones in with flat backs to the little ones. So these are actual pins sticking out. The ones that are sticking out I won't stick in. The ones that just put like gold on the back. Yeah, there ain't many. They've got gold sticking out. That's, you know, that's actual protruding actual pins. So that, oh, there we go. There's one that's not got protruding pins. Totally flat. So that can go in. There's another one. Maybe I should take the backs off. Not really. I've got a few actually. That's all of them. All the rest of that pins protruding out of that, which I think I'll do certainly do them separately, not at the same time as these. So, how many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. Plus the one that's in there, so there's 9 chips going in. Can't really read that very easily. Intel. They're all Intel, aren't they? Read this one better. I've got 9 of these. Intel A6704 Pentium 4s, bits of gold on them, not got protruding pins, just flat back. So we've got 9 of these. I'm going to put them in the existing liquid without breaking the glass rod. There's some bits of gold still left on that. Down into the juice. So now we've got gold fingers. They're nearly finished getting the gold removed in the second dosage of liquid. First load left for 3 days, then changed it once it looked sort of saturated. So this liquid I would say is still fresh, still working. Probably could have done better getting that underneath all these new chips. Could have put some chips on top of the hose, I suppose. Didn't do that very cleverly, did I? At least it's in there. See what that does. There's nothing else I think they can stick in there. Right, so it's been a week now. All this stuff. It's got maybe a couple of tiny bits of gold in it. Any bits that have got tiny bits, screw it and put them back in the jar. Percent hydrogen peroxide, sea salt, vinegar. Gets me gold. Circuit boards. Gold. This is only a tiny portion of it because, like I say, I've cleaned it out a few times.